Hello and welcome to the Mint Report, a wrap-up of the day's business news. Here are the top stories. Wholesale price inflation slows to 4.89% in April. Dr. Reddy's March quarter net profit jumps 67%. And Sensex rebounds as inflation slows to 41-month low. First up, inflation based on the wholesale price index slowed in April to 4.89% from 5.96% a month ago. This follows a clear decline in prices of foods and manufactured goods. Food inflation slowed to 6.09%, while manufactured goods inflation decelerated to 3.41%. Data released yesterday showed that retail inflation was also down to 9.39%. The Reserve Bank of India had cut the repo rate by 25 basis points, but warned the rate cuts alone can't spur growth. Analysts believe that if the inflationary pressures continue to ease, there'd be more room for the RBI to cut rates. Moving on to the pharma sector, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories posted a 67% jump in net profit for the March quarter. India's second biggest drug maker recorded a consolidated profit of 570 crore rupees in the fourth quarter. Revenues rose 26% to 3,339 crore rupees. The company said strong sales of generic drugs in its key North America market bolstered profits. For the full year, net profit rose 18% to 1,677 crore rupees. Dr. Reddy's shares were down 3% to close at 2,025 rupees. Next up is news about Tata Steel. The company said it will take a significant hit on the profit and loss account as it writes off $1.6 billion as impairment. The charge is largely related to its European operations, which are still under pressure due to poor economic conditions in the Eurozone. Impairment is the term used for writing off goodwill after a drop in the market value of its acquisition. The decision will amplify the buzz about Tata Steel selling off at least some of its European operations, which came in with the acquisition of Chorus Group for $11.3 billion in 2007. The company's shares fell almost 3% in intraday trading, but recovered to end the session down 0.4% at 303 rupees. Lastly, some cheer for the markets as they recovered from yesterday's fall on low wholesale price inflation. The gainers were rate-sensitive stocks like SBI and Axis Bank, which gained after the wholesale price inflation eased to a 41-month low. The Sensex added 30 points to close at 19,722, while the rival Nifty added 15 points to end at 5,995. The low inflation data has spurred hopes for a rate cut in the next policy review, but traders are still cautious about the revival of the economy. That's all we have for you. Thank you for watching.